boys and girls? Welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Do you feel a little bit bluish? Maybe. I had to bring my blue beast here for this tutorial, of course. Father of Peace, Bluish is the title of that song. And yeah, what a nice, cool song, a little bit uplifting, funny, and all that good stuff. So let's go into it. No need for any capo here. We're going to use bar chords. That's the reason. So I'm going to give you the chords now. First, how I see them played on the music video, pretty much, close or so. And then some alternatives. Maybe it's easier for you to handle it in a different way. So I'll give you that as well. Different keys for you to have fun in life and play songs, basically. That is the deal. Let's go into this, and we're gonna start with the E minor. And I'm gonna give you first the chords, how I see that the singer hold them on this guitar. So you're gonna play now a bar on the second fret, and you bar 4 strings if you can from bottom up, like this. Or if you want to, you can actually just skip the bar and hit that second fret D string. It's up to you. I use a bar because, yeah, I'm difficult. Maybe that's the only reason. You really need only to hold that second fret D string. Okay? Then you continue with your ring finger on the 4th fret G, little pinky on the 5th fret B, and your mid finger on the 3rd fret E. A little bit stretchy, so I'm going to give you these chords first, and then maybe an easier alternative later on. Okay, that's the E minor. Once you got that grip, you just slide it up to this position, 2 frets up, exact same grip to the F sharp minor. So that means you're going to hold the index finger on this 4th fret D string now, ring finger on the 6th fret G, little pinky on the 7th fret B, and your mid finger on the 5th fret E. And then we have finally the B minor, like this, okay? So it's a bar chord, play your index finger on the 7th fret, yes, that's the 7th fret, and you cross all strings there, and then you need to add 9 on A and 9 on D. Okay, so there we have the 3 chords, and it goes in that order through the entire song, okay? I have given you the first chords, and if you watch the music video, it's pretty much that is how he holds it. But then you can replace the first 2 chords with E minor like this, and then F sharp minor like this. And then you go back to this B minor, it's the same, okay? So this other version of E minor goes a bar on this 7th fret. You push down 5 strings, all strings except from that E string. So that's that, and then you need to add 9th on D, 9 on G, and 8 on B. That's the E minor, and then you slide up 2 frets, and you get the F sharp minor with the exact same grip. Now the index finger is on the 9th fret as a bar, 5 strings, and then you need to add 11th on D, 11th on G, and 10th on B. So, or, yep. That is the order of the chords. Now we need to learn how to handle them. So I'm gonna give you the strumming pattern now, and it goes like this. So you're gonna play down, up, clap, up, or down. It's up to you. The last one there, I think up is more natural for me, so down, up, clap, up, a short pause, and then up, down, up. So one of that, and then 1 string around on the F sharp minor as well. And then you finish off with 2 on the B minor. And that, my friend, Bluish, a fun song to play and to watch when they're playing it and sing for us. A little bit of humoristic features in that music video. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, guys. And until next time, play tune.